आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, solution of the differential equation y plus x under root xy multiplied by x plus y dx plus y under root xy multiplied by x plus y minus of x dy is equals to 0 is. So let us take the solution. So first of all I will rearrange the terms. Okay, so I will take y dx from this bracket and minus of x dy from this bracket. So what? Y dx minus of x dy minus of x dy. Now again see these two terms. Okay, in these two terms under root xy and x plus y is common, so take under root of xy multiply by x plus y as common. Now what we are left with? We are left with from this bracket x dx, so x dx, and from this bracket we are left with y dy, so plus of y dy is equals to 0. Now divide throughout by y square. So what you will get? You will get y dx minus x dy divided by y square plus of under root of x by y multiply by 1 plus x by y, and in this bracket you will get x dx plus y dy as it is, which is equal to 0. Now see one thing, I will explain first of all this part, this much. Okay, this much of part I will give explanation what we can write this part. Okay, so let us suppose that you have to differentiate d by dx of x upon y, d by dx of x upon y. So what is differentiation will come? Its differentiation will come in the denominator you will get y square, and in the numerator d by dx of first function. Okay, d by dx of numerator, which means d by dx of x, and y as it is multiply by y minus x as it is into differentiation of y. So you write dy by dx. Now from here we can see that y minus of x dy by dx divided by y square. Now this thing can be written as y, take dx as LCM. Okay, so you will get y dx minus of x dy divided by y square, y dx minus x dy divided by y square, and here also you will come with this dx will come in the denominator. So see this, you can write d by dx of x upon y as this thing. Okay, so if we assume that the dx and dx will get cancelled out, what you are left with? You are left with d of x by y will be equal to y dx minus x dy divided by y square. So see this thing, it is what? Y dx minus x dy divided by y square. Here also y dx minus x divided by y square. So we can write it as d of x upon y. D of x upon y is nothing more than that, it is d by dx of x by y. It is another way to represent it. So I will write here at the place of y dx minus x dy divided by y square, I will write d of xy. So I will write here d of x divided by y. Now see this part. Okay, now I will give the explanation for this part. Okay, so remaining things I will write as it is, under root of x by y multiply by 1 plus x upon y. Now see this thing, how can we write? On the same grounds we will write. Here we have applied quotient rule, here we will apply multiply rule. Okay, so see here, if you want to differentiate x square plus y square by 2. Okay, if you want to differentiate x square plus y square by 2, what we will get? We will get 2x. Okay, 2x plus 2y multiply by dy by dx. Okay, 2x plus 2y multiply by dy by dx, and in the denominator 2 will be as it is. So what you will get? You will get x dx plus y dy. Okay, it is equal to what? It is d by dx of, and in the denominator dx will also come. In the denominator dx will also come. So d by dx of x square plus y square divided by 2. X square plus y square divided by 2. See here again, this dx and dx, if we assume that cancel out, so it will left with d of x square plus y square divided by 2 will be equal to x dx plus y dy. Okay, so here it is also written that x dx plus y dy can be written as what? It can be written as d of x square plus y square by 2. So just simply put d of x square plus y square by 2 at this place. So I will write plus of d of x square plus y square divided by 2. So this is the rough calculation, you know, don't need to calculate, okay, and it is equal to 0. So I will separate it by a green line. So it is the rough calculation, all the things are just for explanation. Now see, take under root of xy multiply by 1 plus xy common. So what you will left with? You will left with d of x by y divided by under root of x by y multiply by 1 plus x by y plus of d of x square plus y square divided by 2, which is equal to 0. Now integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Put here sign also integration, here also. Now to integrate this, I will put x by y is equals to u. Put x by y is equals to u. So on differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get d of x by y is equals to du. So here integration will come du divided by under root of u, and here it will 1 plus u. Now again, this thing I can differentiate directly, okay, or this integration and differentiation will be going to cancel out each other. So here you will get directly x square plus y square by 2 is equals to c, which is the constant of integration. Okay, so integration of second part is direct, it is x square plus y square by 2. Now coming back to our calculation, now put u is equals to t square, u is equals to t square, which implies that du is equals to 2t dt. Okay, 2t dt. So here you will get 2t dt divided by t 1 plus t square. So this t and t will get cancel out, and integration of dt upon 1 plus t square. Integration of dt upon 1 plus t square, it is nothing but tan inverse t. Tan inverse of t plus x square plus y square divided by 2 is equals to constant of integration c is equals to constant of integration c. Now resubstitute back the value of t. So at the place of t we can write under root of u plus x square plus y square divided by 2, which is equal to c. Again at the place of u put x by y, so 2 tan inverse of under root of x by y plus x square plus y square divided by 2 is equals to c. So this is our required answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।